On today's episode of
Wow.
Cards in Cool Places.
Cards in Cool Places. Here we are at a bonfire. You know what that means. We're ripping another pack of Pokemon cards. Ah! Well, you burning me, you joker. Can we get a hit today? I don't know. Can we even see? All I know is we're having fun. It's freezing out. We're at the beach in December. What's going on here? Or what month is it? January. We got the fire energy to start. All right, let's see. Oh, the Reggie Rocky, yes, that's a hit, baby. Let's go, Pokemon. Cards in Cool Places. Where are we going next? Pokemon out to the fire.